We are at a very important point today in Europe. We need fast, reliable, and sustainable energy to cope with our growth targets. Without that, and without the right level of power prices, we will not be capable of being competitive against other markets. Wind has demonstrated that is the solution for that problem. During the last years, we have provided reliable, sustainable, and affordable energy at the pace that Europe requires. However, we still need to solve some barriers that are in order to deploy to the full extent renewable energy. First is permitting. Today, one project could be 9 years in the permitting process. Secondly, grid connection. Today, there are more than 500 gigawatts waiting for grid connection in order to achieve our targets. And finally, auction designs. Auctions are designed as a race to the bottom in order to achieve the maximum amount of capital instead of raise the maximum amount of megawatt hours and projects. Especially, we have seen in offshore that there are some auctions that have been unsuccessful precisely because the design was not the right one. And if we don't solve those barriers, we are jeopardizing our journey in Europe. With the right market fundamentals, wind energy is ready to cope with those targets. We have been investing heavily during the last years in order to have a reliable and sustainable supply chain in the continent. In Vestas, we have experience of more than 40 years in delivering reliable products. We have more than 190 gigawatts installed worldwide, and today we are servicing 155 gigawatts in more than 77 countries. We invest constantly in order to deliver business case certainty to our customers. We have the experience, we have the track record, and we have the technology that Europe needs to stay competitive. Wind, and Vestas in particular, is the right solution to achieve the targets that we have in Europe and to cope with the growth that I was mentioning at the beginning. To stay competitive, we must fix the market fundamentals that I was mentioning before. If we do that, we can secure reliable, secure, affordable, and sustainable energy for Europe. Join us in WindEurope to learn more.